Namaste. So today I'll start with a story. It so happened, everybody knows about Lord Krishna telling the Bhagavad Gita to Arjuna on the battlefield, right? So somebody asked Krishna, why did you tell this Gita to Arjun? You should have told it to Dushasan and Duryodhan and all these people, the Kauravas. So Lord Krishna answers, don't advise, upadesh mat karo. हुआ ये कि कृष्ण ने पूरी कहानी बताई कि मैंने अर्जुन को क्यों उपदेश दिया था, क्यों गीता बताई थी. तो कृष्ण says I had been to Duryodhan and Dushasan and the Kauravas first to tell them about the Gita. They all reacted, please, we don't want your advice. उपदेश मत करो. So this is what Krishna tells this person, that I went there, but they said, we don't want your advice. Leave us alone, we know. So then he went to Krishna, he went to Arjuna. Lord Krishna went to Arjuna and he told the Gita to Arjuna. Now if we can apply this in our life, how do we apply this? Many a times people are trying to tell us something good. And what is their attitude? Please, अब इधर ज्ञान मत बांटना. I don't want your ज्ञान, please. If it's an elder person, you'll just listen, rolling your eyes here, there, and you'll say, God, another piece of advice. This is our attitude, isn't it? How often our mothers, right from our childhood, has told us, don't do this, don't do that, get up at this time, eat this, that. How often have we neglected them? Or always we have neglected them. When you grow older and you start having the same problems, and then you go back to those memories of what your mother said, कि yes, in the morning you get up and have haldi ka pani or have honey, this, that, ये बहुत अच्छा है सेहत के लिए, कोई बोला मेथी के दाने खाओ, डायबिटीज के लिए अच्छा है. कितना उपदेश लिया है आपने लोगों का? How much have you heard people's advices? All these things are very good. We have all remedies, home remedies for every problem that we have, whether it's physical or mental. How much have we listened to people or taken their advice? We invariably have this attitude, Upadesh mat karo. I don't want to know your gyan. Sorry, please. I don't have the patience for it. This is your attitude. Same thing I'm telling you here now. Some of you might say, oh God, please, Upadesh mat karo. Listen to this though. And if you are in this kind of an attitude, and if you always do this, you would miss out on some real good advice, my dear friends. There is so much everywhere if you want some good advice. So don't get into this zone. If it doesn't apply to you, if it doesn't work with you, you'll say, okay, fine, I heard it, but I don't think this I can apply just now. Fair. That's fair. But don't have this attitude of Upadesh mat karo. Please don't advise me. Don't have this attitude. That's a very wrong attitude to have, because sometimes certain advices are as good as the Bhagavad Gita, which Lord Krishna told Arjuna. They are lifetime Bibles. अगर दुर्योधन के बच्चों ने अगर ये सुना होगा, Dhritarashtra के बच्चों ने, Duryodhan, Dushasan and all those 100 Kauravas, had they accepted Lord Krishna's advice and heard the Gita, what would have been the world today? Right? Because they didn't, and because they went on their own way, and they did what they had to, of course they lost. What is with 5 Pandavas and 100 Kauravas, yet they lost. Because they did not take the proper advice at the proper time. And Pandavas, we know what is history, right? So, you never know what is the right advice at the right time and what advice आपके काम आ जाएगा, क्या उपदेश कब, किस वक्त आपके काम आ जाएगा, ये आपको नहीं पता. So कोई कुछ बोलता है, especially if it's an elder person in the house, telling you something, advising you about your relationships, about your health, about so many things. Like parents, so often I have seen parents tell the children, "Guy, please don't smoke, young man, my dear son, don't smoke, it's not good for you." How often this happens? Don't drink so much. I mean, I'm not saying don't drink, the father will say, but don't drink so much that it just loses your mind. How often have you heard that? How often we've heard people saying, "What is all this you're eating? You are a diabetic, you can't eat so much sweet." And what do you turn around and say, "Oh, please, yeah, please, today is one day I'm going to eat, I'm not going to listen to you. Please, Dad, stop giving me advice of not smoking and not drinking. I know, don't give me advice." How often this has happened in your life? How often I have told people, walk on the spiritual path, this will clear all your life's issues and problems. You will lead a very peaceful life. How many people have heard that? How many people have taken that advice? So, guys, coming back to Upadesh Mat Karo, please remember Lord Krishna and Arjuna all the time and keep this in your mind. When you have this attitude and you throw this to people, please, abhi gyan mat do. Sometimes it is irritating, I understand. Sometimes people just go on, like one thing you tell them and they go on, "Oh God, there." I understand that. But many a times the advice is really good for you and you ignore it. Many a times things people tell us, our nannies, dadis, older people who tell us, advise us, ye karo, ye mat karo. And you feel, "Oh, this is all ancient ideas and old stuff and all rubbish." So many a times the advices are so good and it is so essential and required at that point in time. We need to know that. So keep this in mind. I'm not saying every person who comes and gives you advice, like people advice भी इतना free में देते रहते हैं ना, बांटते रहते हैं, बैठ में तुमको बोलता हूँ मैं, तुम मेरी बात समझो. It does get irritating. It does get. I understand that. But somewhere keep in mind, okay, what this person is telling me, is it really worth listening to? Is it really going to help me? Keep that thought in mind. Not all advices are irritating and not wanted. The attitude that we have, what has happened is because people are advising and every time they see, "Oh God, there's any person advising to you, just brush that person off." So don't do that. Anybody and everybody telling you something, everything is not rubbish. Most of it is not rubbish. In fact, I would tell you, most of it is not rubbish. So if you listen to what a person can say, you evolve also, you grow also, you understand also. Because then you start changing certain habits. If somebody says, like this methi ke dane raat ko bhigo kar subah ko khana for diabetes, it has worked. It works. It really works. Karela ka juice, it works. But the thing is, so many people have told us we just put it off and you don't do it. But actually it works. This is an advice. So everything is not rubbish. Most of it is not rubbish. So remember this thing. And this thing, when I heard this story and I read this story actually, I said, so true. It is so true. So often. In fact, all the time we brush this and say, please, stop giving me ज्ञान. ये तो मैंने इतनी बार सुना है. So often people have told. Of course, now when I talk to people, if I have to advise somebody, I make sure that person is in the receiving end. I will never open my mouth if I know this person is not in the receiving end. Because what I'm going to tell them is going to be so fruitful. And if that person has this attitude, "Oh, there she goes again," I am not going to. I keep my mouth shut till I know that the other person is at the receiving end. That also, for a person who's advising, keep this in mind also. So it works both ways. So when a person is advising something really worth listening to, worth valuing, you have to choose the right time and the right frame of mind of the other person where this advice will go into his head. उठते बैठते किसी को एडवाइस करना मत जाओ. Nobody is interested, nobody values it. Though it is important, though it is so good. So it works both ways for the person who's advising and the person who's receiving the advice. So remember that. I will never speak to a person if he is not in the frame of mind of receiving. Like in parties and all that, so many people say, oh, you've got into spirituality. Can you give us one tip about spirituality? I say, sorry, this is not the place and time for it. I can give them, but I know it's all going to go and it's going to be laughed at and ridiculed at. I'm not interested. So when, where and to whom you're going giving an advice also is very important. So it is absolutely essential to listen to people's advice, but also the person who's advising should realize that it has to be at the right time and right place. So remember this. Don't forget this story. It's very, very important, very useful for all of you to keep it in your mind. Updesh mat karo. Great if you like this, what I have told you all. If you like my videos, I'm very thankful to you for watching the whole video. And if you like it, please do comment down. And any help you require from me. We've got a lot of modalities. I have, in fact, got a lot of modalities at the moment. They're all on my website. So you can check on my website, www.smitajaikar.com. Do connect with me, do relate to me, do write to me. I like an interaction with people. I've had fantastic responses for my videos, and that's why I keep making them. I have done about more than 550 videos, so you can always go back to them. Okay. Thank you very much. Namaste.